how many people do you think can afford to send $500 Congi people?
Not everybody can. Not everybody.
At one time.
Hi guys. All right. No water.
I don't know when people take it and that's down in
Hi guys, welcome back to another video, another sit down talk with me and mom. So today we have another, I would say, kind of like interesting topic for you guys. If you guys have done either of this, then you can also, as usual, you know, you can tell us in the comment section your opinions, your thoughts. Which do you think is better? So this is kind of like a would you rather. So this would you rather is, would you rather $500 versus a barrel of food? Would you rather $500 or a barrel of food? And this goes based on the senders and the receivers end. So we're going to look at it from those 2 points. The person who has sent it and the person who has received it as well. So, Mom, we're going to start off with you. Would you rather? I'm going to ask you the question.
Okay.
Because I think that's best to start it off finding out like what would you rather, and then you can get into your points as to why you think.
Yeah.
So, let's say you're the receiver. Would
But
you
me
rather?
have to be a receiver.
No, sorry, not the receiver. Okay, put your mind off the sender.
Yeah.
Put your mind in the mind of the
You
sender.
want me to? I can be this. I can put my.
You can be the sender and the receiver. We're being
Yes,
both
I don't
today.
have a problem.
Yeah, we're
there.
being both sender and receiver.
Okay, okay.
So, as the sender, would you rather send someone $500 or would you rather send them a barrel of food?
I would prefer to send them a barrel of food. As the sender and also as the receiver, I would prefer to receive the barrel of food.
Alright, tell me why.
Okay. Jamaica, we are talking about from.
Yeah, we're speaking
I think
from
we're
our standpoint
speaking
out here in Jamaica.
Mostly like we can't speak for like what the name was? What I
can't speak with no other country but my own with me. You know?
Yeah, no. But you know, say Canada people send barrels from Canada.
No,
we don't have no idea how much of the cost of food at Canada, and also they send barrels from the United Kingdom too. So we have to look
as a sender, sorry.
So £500 are a barrel of food, $500 are a barrel of food, 500 Canadian are a barrel of food. Honestly, we're going to be speaking from the American end where we understand, as we see on social media every day, we kind of more get the gig of food. We not too know about our price in America. You know what price in Canada for food?
Up and down. Sometimes something.
Yeah, but if you're a Canadian,
it's much more expensive.
Yeah, let them give us tell us in the comment section if you have the experience from a Canadian point of view. $500 Canadian or a barrel of food shipped to Jamaica, whether to your relative, to your friend, or whoever, or your husband, or whoever. Okay? If you're in the United Kingdom, £500 versus a barrel of food shipped from the United Kingdom or England to Jamaica. Okay? We are going to be speaking on like we are awaiting your comments on the United Kingdom and the Canada, cause you know we not so kind of verse panda one day. What is about that? Right?
Yes, so your response, your answer as a sender, which one do you rather?
My answer as a sender. If you are there, if I am in the States and may I speak from a Jamaican point of view. Because if people are American and they don't know, them not understand. So I'm gonna be speaking from a Jamaican point of view. Say, me a Jamaican and I was in the States now and I wanna send something for my family, whoever it wanna be. I can afford $500 and I would like to send it to them. But me no say sending $500 to them is like a joke. So I'd prefer to use it, and me know me have to pep it up to send a barrel of food, right? Because as a Jamaican, we know that $500 in Jamaica is just like 70-something thousand.
75,000 give or take, depending on the rate.
And the rate of the day, right? I know that. So knowing that, I would prefer to send them a barrel of food. If they want the money, fine. But if it is my choice, I would send them a barrel of food. On the receiving end, I'd gladly take the barrel of food because Mother Jamaica, I know the cost of living, I know the price of food. Food is getting expensive everywhere in the United States. But remember, as a third world country, food price it out. You understand? So somebody call me up and say, Debbie, I wanna bless you. Would you rather me send you 500 Jamaican dollars? Like seriously?
500 Jamaican dollars.
500 US or a barrel of food. You know, so by the time them say barrel of food, I jump up and lick up my head nicely and say, please and thank you in advance, I'll take the barrel of food.
Yeah.
Okay? But mind you, to them in America, 500 US is like a lot. How many people do you think can afford to send 500 US dollar come give people
Not
like
everybody
Jamaica
can.
At one time?
Not everybody
can afford
Not right
that.
now. It's very, and even before.
It's very hard.
Yeah. It's very hard for you to take up
even before now, because first time things never,
That is probably somebody's monthly grocery money. Or
maybe then grocery money. Or maybe then grocery money for 2 months. So it is hard. But remember, packing a barrel, just get up and pack barrel. So you take your time and do it over time.
Yeah.
You go down the side, you see one little, see along there, so you pick up 2 little something there, and you throw in a barrel, you put it down here. So you understand? So I would say on the sender's end, it work out. More for the sender, because the receiver does sit down along them neck and wait for it, them don't know the cost of it, So I would say
it's more expensive on the senders.
Yeah, it is more expensive. So I'd say choose to send the barrel because that take you a little time. Yeah, it will be more to buy the food, but at the same time you get some time. Because you have to send the 500 US one time. And you try to save it up. Boom, you try to save it up and you put 100 there. So same thing like me, I have to draw 50 outside. So I would say basically the barrel of food stand up better for me. Yeah.
The barrel also we have to keep into mind for the sender that the barrel itself you have to pay for it.
Okay, yes.
As well as the pickup and the shipping to
the pickup the pick up and ship it off. Them have to pay for that.
Them have to pay for that as well.
So the question
would go over if you were called to compare it to say, is it the same?
I think it would go over. But let us ask the people that are there sending barrels. Because you have people them around for send barrel to them people. Pick up all like people them who up there and you can afford to send your people, your family a barrel or 2 or 3 barrels. And also the people that are getting the barrels, please remember to be kind, be thankful, and to show appreciation. Because look here, things not easy and it's gonna be getting worse. Try some of your look. Someone used to get all 5-6 barrel and they cut down to all 2. That is to tell you that things are
hard everywhere.
Things are getting very hard. Yeah. So let us talk about.
So with the barrel, inside of there, as once again, still as the sender, in order to, let's say you're trying to be as economically friendly as possible, even keeping in mind the cost of the shipping and the barrel itself.
Yeah.
Let's say you're trying to be economically friendly. What would you put in there?
In the barrel?
Yes.
For me, as the sender. Alright. Remember say, as the sender, you know what, hang your at higher than where you can. Well, me personally, now go hang my at higher than where me can reach it. Me I pack the barrel to me can afford it. Alright, so for me, you know so the little flour them, the little 5-pound pack of flour them, we have to look for them. If you look for the cheaper, like the little cheaper brand, I personally will be looking for the cheaper brand. Yeah, to all things is now.
With the, you have to look for the cheaper brand.
Number 2, look here. Let me tell you something. The local tinners, may I tell you the truth? We have to wet some tinners, and the tinners them are get expensive now.
They are getting expensive.
Because me understand the canned beef up there is very expensive, but as
corned beef out here is also expensive.
Yeah, very expensive. But look here, you can comment as in the comment section. Just explain to us. We are just trying, We don't live in America, we live in Jamaica. So we just put ourselves in the America part, or the Canadian, or the pound part. Remember to just give us your feedback in the comment section. Just give it up, because we don't know. We don't know. We know. I'm still speaking from the Jamaican point of view, and I try to when me see on TV. Because remember saying, look here, remember say Jamaica we there. You get what me I say? We are in Jamaica, so we are trying our best to see how it can go. Okay, so the tinners, we are going to wet them. Yeah, we are going to wet the little cheap brand flour. We are going to wet some tinners, of course, because say, maybe about quarter of a barrel are going to be tinners. Yeah, because we're not going to put the little flour them and we're going to put the little sugar them too.
I remember say up there you have a lot of different items in tin where you can work out a little bit.
Yes, man.
To out here.
We have all the patinas out here.
No, we have a lot of tin things out here, but there's like certain things
that we can't buy. So, Colby, you know, so I swear, say every no, Colby, me think you lose it. You stop. Oh no, we stop at supermarket. So, Colby, everything where they have up there, most of it we have them out here in a supermarket in Athens.
We're getting it little by little.
Yeah, a lot. Come here, so I never know. Say Jamaica have. What you must say is that they have wider variety of brands. That you say. Well, yes, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Can you know say yeah? We are going to wait little sachets. Cause look at me, tell you something. Me, I put some sausage in there. Me, I put some sachets in there. I'm speaking now from the sender's point of view, and me I got to tell you something now from the receiver point of view. I swear if you not put no sachets in there, me I not go sitting. Put sachets in a me barrel. Put sachets and put tin mackerel in there. Hello?
Mackerel goes a long way for sure.
Yes.
You have to put a good amount of non-perishables because remember hurricane, rain, and all kind of things.
And thinking about if the barrel, if the barrel will burst up, because sometimes the barrel will burst up, you know. But big up yourself to some of my people and big up all the good up barrel packer. They will only pack 50, 60, 80 million barrel come to Jamaica and not even look a flour throw away. Big up on yourself. Yeah. So like a sausage, like a mackerel, maybe 2 or 3 bully beef, because the bully beef is out of range.
Yeah, corned beef is expensive.
We want a tin bean, we want like a black bean, we want 2 like a sardine. Well, it now come because sardine beer.
Instead of buying the kidney beans just like dry, you can get canned kidney beans as well.
Canned kidney beans down here, I don't know.
No, like your rice and peas and stuff.
Yeah, but me must say Jamaican people when they cook rice and peas, I want to go to help at the rice and peas, you know. Because I suggest to send the pound peas. Them can get the pound peas,
but
you know.
pound peas is getting expensive.
Yeah, but the canned peas, them not cheap, Cobb.
It's a little better than the pound one.
Me no know. Canned peas out here more expensive than the pound one.
Yeah, because that I canned peas out here. So
me up them in I put canned pre-cooked
canned stuff out here.
Because
canned stuff out here is much more expensive than
Jamaican people them have a way. When them hear about rice and peas on Sunday, I want to go to El Pat. So me that buy some pound peas send for them. That just me. Because for me as a receiver, me that prefer the pound peas to me. I tell you the truth.
Okay.
Alright, so canned peas, canned beans, all of them like a condensed milk. What again in a tin?
You say milk?
Yeah, little milk, little the mackerel, the sachets, sausage. Yeah, all them sitting there, bully beef. What else again we get in that tin?
You say mackerel already.
Yeah, alright. We are going to 2 little barbecue sauce. Kind of don't know it go. Then,
ketchup and mustard.
Of course, we have to put some pasta in there. You know, we have to get little pasta, you know how it go? Yeah, we have to put some ramen in there. And cup noodle. What you say? Yeah?
I would say
that's the average.
I would say put the package, the one that comes in like the plastic, the one where you like take out ramen stuff and like put in your bowl.
The one the more economical.
The cup one, not really economical. Yeah, that too.
Yeah, that is more cost effective.
But also when you're putting it in the barrel in case something for choke pan it, or if you get mash up or something for squeeze pan it.
Oh, for mash up the cup them.
They want to mash the cup.
No, man, you have some good barrel pack around here, we pack it and
yeah, I know, but let's say for instance you are not that versed or you're not that amazing.
Yeah, well me personally, if me did that for I wouldn't able to pack no barrel, because I'm not good at the packing.
You're thinking of it in a way that even if these things fall on it or something like that, you can still. So
we'll get two little gallon back like aisle 1 or 2, and we wait till it sail down the road, we run go catch 2 of them. Everything get expensive now. Because to be honest, me glad for the aisle, or me that glad for send the aisle, because guess what? 1 gallon of aisle down here in the supermarket is like some serious. By the time you buy 2 of them, the 70,000 done. Try remember that. So we just are getting to some of them.
If we are to compare if we are to compare $75,000 Jamaican versus the amount of food that you get in a bar.
In the bar, no matter how the something them, no matter how the something them put in the cheap Colby, the $75,000, it doesn't make it can't. Look here, you know that $75,000 can't full actually out here.
Yeah, I know.
For all those things, you know. You see what I say?
Especially if you have a family. For yourself. As an individual, yes, it can full your trolley as an individual.
Full your trolley? I don't think so, you know.
As an individual, yes.
As an in never full your trolley. In never full. If you have $75,000, how many people can afford to spend $75,000 for the month? Colby, if you go for
I'm not saying every single month, but I'm saying as an individual. Let's say, for instance, you get a bonus or something like that, and
bonus.
You can afford
bonus still around here,
and you can afford to to spend $75,000.
Alright.
I do think depending on the supermarket
Alright.
that you go, it can.
I go ask him, Mama say, oh, your mouth so long. Mama say, yeah, grow up come here soon. So you see, when he reaches, it's same mouth longer than him, Mama one. Hello, you are going to take back your word for the $75,000 we can afford, Charlie. Okay, let's go. So what's the next step?
What was the other stuff in the...
We are comparing. No. Oh, that's a fully barrel.
I can't.
What else we are
That's
going to put in
more
the barrel?
Well, you said pasta already?
Yeah, pasta I go throw down in the ramen I go throw. Depends on the person packing the bar. Cause you have some people them pack some nice up.
I think you
something,
can
know.
also put cereal inside there.
Yeah, cereal. You have some people them pack some
persons
look
have
nice up
kids,
something, man.
persons
Then put
have
some of them
kids.
put a case juice. You pack tang. Where them something will come
Yeah,
again.
drink mixes are good.
Yeah.
also to put inside
They might
there.
put one coffee or two. Depends on who you are sending
Tea,
it to.
I think tea
Yeah,
bags.
the tea bag.
bags
Yeah, the
are
pack of
expensive
tea,
because
100 pack of tea bag
tea
them.
bags are very expensive out here. I don't know if tea bags are expensive abroad, but tea
I
bags
don't
are-
know, cause
Tea
I
get
don't
very
know
expensive
like the
out here,
expensive one they will come from Britain and them place there. Yeah, them type them brand there. I don't know how them stay up there, but they are very expensive out here. So what else we are gonna put in our barrel? Are them sitting the left? We have enough them up and some of
Other
them
stuff
also-
is just
we know we have them up
miscellaneous
body
stuff.
wash, this and them little
Yes,
sitting
very good.
lotion,
The other stuff them is
toothpaste.
just miscellaneous.
Of course, I'm gonna
body
put some
care.
Irish Spring.
The other stuff is just like body care. Yeah.
But mostly it's gonna be food.
But
And it's
mostly-
gonna be have to be a lot of thinners. If you go put too much in, we enough to put for you now, go pay the 6,500
You can't pay
off,
the
you know.
amount that you're supposed to
food
pay
have
down
it
at
in
the
there, you
wharf,
know.
yeah.
So if you start put couple crepe in there and 5 or 6 crepe, them out that count you out and charge you for. Because once you put more than 3 or anything, it is considered that you're going to be reselling.
Yeah.
So yeah, I eat that.
So that's what you would put in there.
No,
Give her
no man,
take,
there are
yes.
whole little
There's
things,
other
man.
stuff, but
look
that's
at saltfish.
that's
We are going to
most-
Canada, they go buy. Look, we never put no saltfish in there, you
You
know.
put that in there, them something they can
Smell up, and we never put that.
But as I said, give or take, saltfish, you can get a little something that saltfish out here, so sometimes.
Yeah, true. Saltfish not bad out here.
Saltfish
It
isn't
have
the
one.
worst out here.
It's not the
It's
best,
not the best,
but it's not the worst. Yeah.
So yeah, you can.
What else we
give or
can
take
put in our
inside
brand?
there.
Yeah, look for say, like foil wrap on them, something that them you can put them because those are very expensive out here.
Yeah,
Like
very
foil
expensive.
paper cling wrap on them sitting there. Yeah. So we know little that. Yeah, little knickknacks. A little knickknacks is a knickknacks barrel you put in.
Yeah, so you can put like
After you put the
biscuits
regular
and
rice,
stuff
the
like
flour,
that.
yeah. Then you know them nice little all them-
Sugar.
Yeah.
Sugar.
We put sugar already because we have to put sugar. A Jamaican we be, you know. You understand?
Okay,
If you can get good bulgur, if you can get the you know, I would put in there. I don't know how much you can find it there, but it seems like it's getting expensive when you do find it, and it's very hard. Like milk powder, skim milk, powdered milk, so to speak.
Oh, okay. Well, we still have our powdered milk out here still, but I really,
Like we
I
look
don't
at
really
Hershey's,
know.
look at Hershey's chocolate. We put them sitting there.
Hershey's.
Ketchup, you know, we have to put a
We
little
said
ketchup
already,
them.
We said ketchup already.
I never hear you say ketchup and all them look something there. All them little things
The
that we know we
condiments,
use.
yeah,
All them little
mayonnaise,
condiments.
all those.
Yes, mayonnaise, little mustard. All them nice little something that we know. Where the bar look pretty up and all of them look something.
Because
So.
those things, if you were to use the money that you have out here to pay for them, you couldn't
Oh.
buy the big size ones.
You couldn't buy
have to buy
none.
The small ones.
Colby, if it's 75,000, some of those things you would not be able to pick
You
them
couldn't
up.
buy. You couldn't really buy mayonnaise like that in a big amount that you send, and you couldn't buy.
How much for a mayonnaise out here?
I don't know. Depends on the brand and the size.
Like treat the like a good reasonable little brand, a regular little old size. I like this, I like this. So
Maybe
about 3,000 something if you're getting a good brand. 2,800, 2,000 plus.
yeah.
I must have sitting that plus tax, you know.
So 2,000 plus, maybe like
3,000.
2,500.
Yeah, depends on the brand. As me tell you, depends on the brand. You have other brands where you can get it for
But
cheaper.
like I said, if you were to pick them up out here, you'd have.
Yeah, but remember saying most of them something where I come from up there. You always see that certain little brand where kind of expensive out here. They can afford it.
Yes, because it's much
not
cheaper
they
out
can.
here.
It's affordable out there.
It's
Brands
affordable
down
out here.
here, what is expensive, it's more available to how I understand up there. So all of them look something. Nothing else not coming in the barrel. Cause nothing else
As I
not
said,
come.
everything else is just maybe like body care or maybe like a, you know, detergent. What I put, not detergent.
Detergent.
Soap. Some people put soap powder in there.
I not think what I want
The
a
persons
soap
want
powder
to put
because
soap.
the flour them love dry. The flour especially love. The flour dry the soap powder.
Or some people put floor cleaner. Them
You
stuff
can
there.
put like the liquid cleaner,
Liquid
like
cleaner.
liquid soap. And if you want to put like the liquid dish, the liquid from you call them liquid detergent, then we wash in
Yeah.
a machine.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
better.
those can
Because
use
then
also.
they seal and you don't know, you tape up where you have to tape up and all of them nice things there and so forth. So at the end of the day, for me as the sender, I would try to do with barrel. I know it would cost me a little more money too, and at the same time more me time because you have to go pack it. But as I'm saying, the overtime, or doing it over a
Overtime.
period of time,
Yes, it
cost
will
you a
work
little
out.
more, but at
But
the
it
same
works
time,
out
my fee
better.
say it work out. The find the 500 US to send one time, it kind of rough. You understand?
Yeah,
because
because
of here.
nobody just has
Yeah,
500.
if you just randomly take up 500, maybe some people do.
Some people do, but
Some
not
people
everybody.
can, some
Yeah.
people do. But I think the
Maybe
people that
you can say
could,
maybe
but
someone
maybe
is
the people
saving
who
it
could later on, they are finding it harder now to send it. But as me say, sometimes them can't find it one time. Who has money to say, I'm gonna send you 500 US dollars? People have it, but not everybody have it. So the people that do, some people that do send like a $500, come give them family or them people them or whoever, and put it down. I think, I'm just saying, they put it down over a period of time.
Yeah.
But sometimes remember that whilst you're putting it down, you have to go back in there, go borrow something. You know, so with packing the barrel, they have the option of picking up a little here, waiting on sales, because they have lots of sales up there sometime, and I think that is what makes them better than us when it comes to
When
food
it comes to
business.
us food, because they
Yeah.
have a lot of sales.
They
We
always have
sales
like,
on food out
yes,
there.
they always have sale, and you see the pack 2 for 1, 3 for 1, that they for 1,
Yeah.
buy this, that, and some
They
of
always
they do
get things
coupons
in,
and all them
yeah,
something like that.
exactly.
We
We
don't
don't
have
really
that
have those
something
out
there.
here.
And even if we do have
still can't really
coupon and
afford
sitting,
it like
the
that.
70,000 could and never. Because I hear people saying, oh, everything that we have up there is in Jamaica. That is true. That is true, no doubt about that. But can you get those things here for the value or for that same price that you have there? I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. I think about 2-3 years ago, I met some people. They were going into that place there, and them with them big bag and so. Oh, we didn't carry anything, and because we understand that everything is here and so. And when they was coming up, they didn't shop. They didn't shop because they say it don't make sense. Better with it pack a barrel or two.
It's a lot more expensive.
So find out for yourself if you are away and you'd like to bless your friends, your family, whoever you want to bless with something like some cash or a barrel of food. Ask them. Find out. Do the math. Do it. Because I can tell you, and anybody will look on you and tell you, say, the $500 would have worked out over the barrel of food. As the receiver, we can tell you them out of it, what go on in Jamaica.
Yeah.
They are totally out of it, you know. Even if a source of coconut oil and sugar and flour you go pack, it's still, yeah, it's still, you know. So,
And then last thing, as the receiver, how long do you think the barrel of food would last you?
that depends on you as the receiver. For me,
Estimated time, give or take, just get estimated.
I don't know if, because if me have family, it will take longer, but I will try my very best to use it as if I worked and packed that barrel.
Oh, okay.
Knowing
Good,
the
yeah.
cost.
That's a
and
good mentality.
yes, I would treat it as if I had worked and packed that barrel, because I know the cost of things, and guess what? Me no want get up a braggadocio sit out when I could take my time. No.
Yeah.
So that would serve me a mighty long time. Serve me a good little time, because I know if I angle myself, and plus me I go jump around with my little something then too.
Yeah, exactly.
And do
You're
it.
still buying your
yeah.
food
So
and
if you,
everything.
even if me have a family, me not gonna allow them to have it and I take it make eye shine, because I know it's hard to come by. And even if I had got the $500, I would use it for a
Still
worthy
have
cause
to
too.
budget.
Whether the 500 US, 500 pound, 500 Canadian, or the barrel of food, they might not be the same thing. But at the end of it, receiving it, it is very hard to come by. You know? I want to take this time out to say bless up once more to the people out there. Some people struggle even to pack a barrel
Yeah,
for
to
them
pack
family.
it, they have to make their own sacrifice.
They
to do.
struggle. Some of them are packing from January, when December come, it still a workout. You know, much less those that are sending multiple barrels. And another thing too, if you know that your friend or your family is sending a barrel for you, and they tell you ahead of time, I think you can jump around and make up the money for go clear the barrel. What do you think?
Yeah, you
Because you should try to jump around. All right, Kobe, you that friend, and you say, Mom, I'm gonna, suppose me, and you know, say me able body, and you tell me say, me I go send a barrel, you send a barrel of food for me. And I'm your mom. And me know saying, and I like say, you're rich up a foreign and them something there. And you tell me, because most people know from long time, you know, so they might get a barrel, you know. If I even say, boy, come, you know, say, me know it don't come, but me still short, you know. If you send even $150, it would have good. But as opposed to just sit down wait for you, if you send the money come for come clear it,
exactly.
it kind of rough, you know. So I would consider, from you tell me that, me start, you know, not one side. And I think if it is coming to a family in a household, other people there, everybody can put a little thing and go clear the barrel and pay transportation. I think it's very hard. If the person offer to do it and they can afford, that's fine. But I think as a receiver, I would consider making up the money, because me think say there's no way I can lose this up. I can't lose this. So them send the barrel of food, come give me. I'm going to go down on the wharf. I'm going to pay $6,500 for clear it. And once I pay food in there. And then, so the shipping depends on where it's coming from. It depends on where it's from. The shipping varies. You understand? Some people say the shipping are the more $6,000. Depends on where it come from. Some of them can be more to me, no know. You understand? And then some people, them have vehicle in them household. Fine. But you have your charter a little something. So when you check up everything, you know, if you go pick it up and all and something, then you are going to spend like $100. Alright, call it say $6,000 where it come from, $7,000 where it come from, $6,500 for the stuff. So it's like $100 and something US you are going to pay, and you are going to get this straight barrel of food with everything in it for yourself. I think you can. And
put that money aside.
That I just for me that I mean. I just me that. Me personally, so respect the person who the sender, so care about them, so grateful to. That I would want to show my appreciation by asking them, by telling to them, okay, don't worry, I'm so grateful, I'm so thankful. Maybe jump around the rest of the thing at Jamaica.
They've already spent a lot.
Because they have already, and some of them just literally, them band them belly. Not because they have it, some of them, but because them have love in them and them know things tough out here. So I just need that.
Alright, yeah, it's a good mentality to have when it comes to those things. You have to be considerate of the person.
Yes, you can't be just considerate just the one to say, oh, think about say, but I just want to sit them at the bar. And personally, for me, anything we get in there, I'm grateful. I am grateful. I'm not gonna say anything about I'm comparing brands and this and that and everything. I would be so grateful. Me never left going away for pack barrel, but I am not stupid with the cost of living, watching multiple videos on television, now on YouTube, and back then years when you see people when they take $100 full one trolley,
they can't
and then everything. Now people is like, to me, all me see it right now, people are foreign a cry over cost of living more than Jamaica. What do you think? Like people are literally crying more because they keep talking about the price of grocery, the prices of grocery. People
out here, so we have always so
exactly the norm.
So we can't really like a comparison.
Yeah, we not go bother. We will just go to supermarket and say, Lord Jesus is sitting there raise again, and we left it there. So, but it's like it's becoming like really tiring for the people them. Our groceries, them I talk about, you know.
Yeah.
So that's just the bottom line for me.
Yeah. So that was our video, guys.
Yes.
Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions as well. Which one would you prefer from the
and tell me from them, because some of them have experience from America, some have it from Canada, some have it from UK. They have the drill, them know everything. But we were talking like mostly from an American point of view. We know people are but we don't have no idea about the food them are UK. Because we never really say like people go do like, I'm not sure if I've ever seen them grocery all at the UK and Canada and them something there.
Compared to the UK and Canada, it's very expensive in those two places.
And the rate of exchange too.
The rate of exchange is very expensive.
I remember the Canadian dollar is very low out here. So
you guys can tell us in the comment section your opinions, your thoughts, how you feel about it as well. You think
how much do you value somebody reaching out to you to offer you $500 or a barrel of food? How much do you value? If you happen to be in that person's, somebody is offering you $500 or a barrel of food, you make your choice. How do you value it? and put yourself in the person that is sending the barrel or the money to
Position,
you.
yeah.
Yeah. And think about that person. Okay? So that's just it for today.
Yeah.
Remember to leave your comments below. You may not agree with what we say. Respectfully,
But,
please,
you know,
we
yeah,
ask of you.
you just
And
send your
remember, yes,
opinions in our-
there might be things that we are not so
That
versed
we are
on.
missing, so
Yes,
please
we are
tell
missing.
us
Some of
as
we are
well.
Jamaican, we don't know. It's a talk from because where we sit and all of them something there, and we watch a little few videos. So leave it in the comments below and share with us what you know respectfully. That's it.
Okay, guys. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in another video.
Bye.
Bye.